So from the next country on our Hippie Trail, now it's Montenegro. The border crossing went really smooth, happy to be here, and now we're at the waterfront. First have lunch and then look for parking spots for boys for tonight. We made it to Montenegro, our next country on our Hippie Trail. Our first hours here were not that amazing. It was searching for a parking spot.
Bumpy.
Yeah, to stay for the night because it's prohibited here for wild camping. So now we are on the top, somewhere on the mountain. Hiding for the police, so we won't get any fine for wild camping. We are parked at the former Austro-Hungarian fortress on top of a hill overlooking Tivat and the Bay of Kotor. A perfect place for an afternoon coffee. After preparing a healthy and tasty dinner, it's time to watch your favorite TV show. Breakfast time! Oh, we love these slow van life mornings.
Morning.
Good morning. It's a really good morning. We have oatmeal as breakfast. I love it. We are still in Montenegro on the top of the hill with a very beautiful view.
Not much will happen today.
Oh, but we woke up already with the sound of the goats. So
Yeah.
It's really nice. Yeah.
There's a farm next door and the cows, the cowbells. So not much will happen today. Probably a little walk. And most importantly, Boris will get a wash.
Yeah, it's really dirty. And
Floor's dirty, the cupboards are dirty,
yeah,
so...
And because of the cold, we had no time. It was not possible to clean him very
So
decent.
now the weather is better. You can open the doors and clean everything. That's a job for today.
Let's go for it. It asks some organization to clean our van, but in no time we get the job done. Once we're done, it's time for a well-deserved after-work walk.
Morning all, we've come down from our mountain back to the Bay of Kotor, a day of sightseeing, or let's say an afternoon of sightseeing. And our main quest today is to find a vegan bakery here. Or it's not a 100% vegan, but they have vegan options, like vegan burek and vegan croissant. So wish us luck.
Good luck.
First stop of the day, coffee shop
Oh,
for a cappuccino.
It's so long ago since I have a cappuccino.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
And it feels so good to sit outside.
Yeah. In Croatia we didn't like to sit inside because people could smoke inside, pubs, restaurants, coffee shops. But now they can't smoke inside, but the weather is better, so we like to sit outside.
So walking back to Boris right now and enjoying the sun. Oh, it feels so good.
It feels summer.
Yeah, although it's only 10 or 11 degrees, it feels warmer. Kotor is a nice city, or nice, yeah, it's a city.
It's beautiful.
It's a walled city.
The old town.
Noisy truck. Old town is a really nice part of town, yeah.
Yeah.
And we are enjoying the terrace, had a coffee, had a beer. Oh, and by the way, you remember we wanted to go to the vegan bakery, or the bakery with the vegan options. Closed, of course.
But good news.
Wow.
Normally tomorrow it's open, so we try again tomorrow morning.
We try again tomorrow morning before we leave.
Yeah.
So, morning.
Morning.
This morning we were on a mission.
Yeah.
The same bakery.
Failed.
Mamma Mia bakery. Mamma Mia. Still closed.
Yeah.
They changed the paper on the door. Yesterday it was 4th of January until the end of the month. Now it's until 19th of February. Okay, back to the car.
Oh.
Oh, we drove 2 hours into the mountains from the coast.
But amazing views, amazing.
Amazing.
Wow.
Montenegro so far keeps amazing us. It's a very, very beautiful country.
And the roads, we had the scenic route. Good, very good roads here.
Good condition.
Yeah.
And spring is in the air.
Even,
Birds are singing.
even we saw snow today.
Took out my sunglasses. We are here for Ostrog Monastery.
Yep.
We are parked at the lower monastery, and after lunch we go up that mountain,
Maybe you see it already.
and there's a monastery built into the mountain. We're not going to take Boris up the hill, we're going to walk. But first going to check out lower monastery. Oh,
We made it.
25 minutes uphill, several flights of stairs, but we made it.
There's a parking spot up here. But
That's for losers, not for people like we are.
we saved Boris.
We saved Boris. So this was really a nice side trip on our way to the capital, Podgorica.
Really nice. We could go inside, but we couldn't film there.
No, we were not allowed to film.
There was a priest telling a story, and
It's like a cave,
Yeah.
full of paintings, full of icons,
Yeah.
very beautiful.
with a coffin at the end,
Yeah,
with holy basil or basil,
Saint Basil.
Saint Basil.
And people went there and kissed the icon of the saint.
Yeah.
Really nice place. And we are lucky, out of season,
Yeah.
still very good weather, so not a lot of people around. Very peaceful.
Yeah, come here when you're in the neighborhood.
If you're in the neighborhood, Montenegro, why not? Quick stop, we just saw a sign. We are passing through a wine region and we saw a little market, so we're going to check out if they have local wines.
Do you sell wine? Wine? No. You're strong.
It's our lucky day so far.
Yeah.
They had wine,
Vino.
local white wine, €2.80.
Yeah. Very nice. Owner?
Yeah, when we left he said, "Ciao baby."
Yeah.
Cookie Monster. We have arrived at our campsite 15 minutes outside of the capital, Podgorica. Beautifully located next to a canyon.
Titograd.
Titograd auto camp. Going to take a shower here, maybe do some laundry, we don't know yet. This is a nice place. I think we are going to stay at least 2 nights here. Or 3. Let's try this €2.80 wine.
It has something between wine and brandy. No?
It's okay. Not a top quality wine,
Can be.
but for that money, could be worse. Good morning and welcome to the capital of Montenegro. Montenegro, Podgorica.
Podgorica.
Considered the most boring capital of Europe. Let's have fun today. Five minutes.
Yeah, our first impression is like it's all fancy, it's nice places.
I'm not bored, not yet.
We have already coffee. Start your day good.
Nice atmosphere, nice weather.
Yeah.
having a coffee now at the former Roman bathhouse. Yeah, coffee under a bridge.
Yeah.
And boring city?
Not boring at all. I love the city. Podgorica is nice to walk around.
Yeah. Don't have to come here for the big sights. You have cathedral, a bridge, but you have to be happy with the small things.
Yeah.
It's a very atmospheric and laid-back capital.
Yeah, lively, very lively.
Yeah. Happy hiking. Cheers.
Cheers. Good job.
Hello. Hello. Today we are again in Podgorica, but we're about to leave.
Last day here.
Last day. This morning we did some laundry. Boris got a soapy treatment.
Yeah.
Went to the supermarket.
For bread.
Now we just had a quick snack and we are ready to move on to our last destination Last destination in Montenegro, the Scada Lake region.
Hello all! Now we are at Scada Lake. We drove I think a half an hour from the capital to here. It was a nice drive, very smooth. And now, because of the dryer that didn't work that well, in the laundry we hang up all our clothes for the final touch. And we will stay here, I think it's near a church. And maybe tomorrow we'll do a small hike or small walk to see more of this nice place.
We're back from our little walk.
Yeah.
It's sunny but very cold and very windy.
Yeah.
So this is our last full day here in Montenegro. Tomorrow.
The end of Montenegro.
Yeah.
Montenegro.
It's a nice country.
Yeah.
Nature is amazing.
Yeah. Really beautiful.
Yeah, really beautiful.
We stayed here just a short.
Only 8 days or 9 days because tomorrow we're leaving to our next country, Albania. So for now, goodbye from Montenegro.
Yeah, if you like this one, please give it a thumbs up.
Leave a comment below, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.
Thank you very much for watching and take care. And see you next week.
Alright, bye bye.